I'm Yossi, and this is the Central Park Crossbody from Brighton. How fabulous is this bag? Look at this really fun image. It just makes you want to go to New York. Or if you're from New York, it'll remind you of the city that you love. It just looks like a piece of art. It comes with this adorable charm as well. You can remove that if you like. It comes with this great wraparound zipper, so you can expand the size of this bag to make sure that you fit all of your items inside. It has a slip compartment on the back for all of your smaller items. You can access the main compartment with the top zip closure. The interior is beautifully lined. There is a zipper pocket on one side with a zipper pocket on the other side as well. Now every day can feel like a walk in the park with the Central Park Crossbody from Brighton.